Hello watcher and subscribers. Today we have the topic multiple exception in Python. So if you are Java or C++ programmer, you can understand this easily. And here the Python allow us to declare the multiple exception with the help of except clause. Means for taking multiple exception in Python, you have to always use except clause. Declaring multiple exception is useful in the case where the try block through multiple exception. Means whenever the throw block may take multiple exception, in that case you have to use it. So syntax we will see. This is the try block. Suppose it is throwing a division by zero error. Okay, suppose we have the divided by zero error, and here in the except block you mention that class, then it will handle this error. And suppose it is having a file related input output error, and if you mention this class here, it will handle this error. Means here we are using multiple exception, and if there is no exception, then else will work out. So in this way, this try, except and else will work out in the program. So now for the detailed overview, we will go in the practical session. So here I am in the Python editor, and first we will take as usual try statement, and inside it, suppose I am writing a code z equal to 4 divided by 0. Okay, so I know there is a error here. So then in the try, after the try block, I am taking one statement except, and the except block is followed by some exception. So we are using here some exception classes. This is arithmetic error. Then after that, input output error. So we have the two exception classes here. Then don't forget to use colon, and here I am taking the print statement. So here I am not writing particularly division by 0 or file input output message, because it is handling multiple exception through this except class. And then we will use here as usual else block. Program is running successfully. So here our message is program is running successfully. Now we try this code. What will happen exactly? So you see exception is executed because we are sure there is a error. And suppose we write here 3, then let's check the output. Definitely the program is running successfully. That will be the output of the program. Now here you can use this multiple exception in a different way also. Suppose here I am taking arithmetic error, and now I just remove this. So what happened, it is taking only one class, and then I just copy this code, then I pasted it here, and here I have to simply write input output error. Okay, so that will be my second exception class. So then here I can write here meaningful message. Dividing by 0 error, and here I can write input output file error. So you see I'm taking here statement input output file error and dividing by 0 error. So whenever the error is related with that, it is showing this message. Whenever the error is related with that, it is showing this message. Otherwise it will show program is running successfully. Now we check the output, but now here I should write 0. So we will check now which exception will occur. So dividing by 0 error is coming. Okay, it is even not executing else, because the else will run when there is no exception in the program. So in this way you can use the except block. Particularly you can use any syntax, but I personally would like to use this second one. That one is good for me. And thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.